Our show with Little Giant. I love the brand. This is a home and garden event, so it's not all gardening. We're going to go back in the home, and this is like lots and lots of places in the home, inside the home, outside the home. This is customer top rated. People who have Little Giant rave about it, and I'm going to do something, Kylie Watts, if you don't mind.
I don't mind.
I'm going to go to QVC.com, which I've been starting to do this. I go to the app while we're on the air and just read some of the ratings. Like, what have you said about it? Not what Knucklehead Mia said about it. What do you think about it? And that's V83514. This is Little Giant in a customer top rated 2-step ladder, right?
Yes, yes. For many years, we had the 3-step, and everybody loved that because what we did with the 2- and 3-step platform is modeled it after a set of stairs. So because when you climb, a lot of people don't like being a bird on a wire on these tiny little rungs. When you open this guy up, you're going to notice these are platform steps, so a lot more real estate. But you said you wanted something a little bit smaller when we had to go to different heights. So
It's funny that you said that.
The 2
Sue
steps.
Shule, 5 stars. I bought the big guy.
Okay.
To this 2-step and was super impressed how sturdy it was. So I tried the little guy.
Yes.
Best investment I've made in a long time. Wait a minute, I'm 79 years old and use this ladder for everything I need.
I love that.
I need height to remedy the situation. Best little ladder. I have the larger version. Now I got the smaller version as well. Boom, there's a zillion of them out here.
Exactly.
Needed this, as good as the other sizes. Great little ladder, super great ladder, best step ladder, sturdy and safe. Keep on going. Let's start out. When I first order it, this is how it's going to come assembled.
Fully assembled, this is what it'll look like to you. Weighs
Great.
less than 12 pounds, so it's ultra lightweight, aircraft aluminum construction, so that's an incredibly durable material, Rick. And what that means for you is that when you open this up and climb, it holds 375 pounds, the highest rating you can get on something like
A
this.
step ladder.
Yes.
A little step ladder that holds 375. And make no mistake, you go up to that second step now, you've got some reach.
Oh,
when
yeah.
you go up to that second step, now you can reach up to the top shelf on the cupboard, at least in the kitchen, right?
Absolutely. Do the everyday things that maybe you're grabbing a chair for. But what we love about this too, safety starts from the bottom up.
Yeah.
Big oversized rubber feet.
Love it.
They grip that surface, so whether you're indoors or outdoors, no worries. Again, aircraft aluminum, and when you look at it from the side, modeled after that set of steps.
Awesome.
So no overlap and big platforms.
And by the way, those ratings that I just read
Yeah.
again and again and again, they all paid more. Because when
They
I
did.
went to the app, it says, oh, this just reduced. So this, first day at this price. So customer top rated,
Yeah.
everybody paid more, $152. You have it for 5 CPMs of $22. This should be a requirement for every smoke detector in America.
For sure.
For nothing, because here's why. Because a smoke detector, nobody climbs a ladder and just stands there.
Right.
You're always doing something.
Moving and grooving.
You're
cleaning.
always moving and grooving.
Grabbing.
And you're forgetting sometimes about your feet.
Right.
So you don't want to think about all that. You want to be protected. So this bar really helps.
Yeah, so this is a functional top cap. One, it's an additional point of contact for your legs. So if you are standing, you have almost like a base for you there. And it allows you to put stuff on. So it's the battery of the smoke detector. You don't have to have that in your hand. Plus, it's a place for you to walk and grab too. So when you're walking down, you have somewhere to put your hands too.
Great idea.
It is lightweight, super durable. And of course, Little Giant started in 1972. They are industry leaders when it comes to all things getting off the ground safely. So all the love and care they put in the big 24-1s, 17-1s, the jumbo 3-step, they put inside of this. But I love that people 79, 89 using this ladder all the time.
We have a woman who made a customer top rated, who's 79 years old, who's swearing by it. We also have one of the hosts here who's 39 years old, who swears by it, named Mary Beth Rowe.
Hi, Mary Beth.
I do swear by it.
Oh, you do?
Because
Hi.
it's so simple. Kylie and I have had this together before.
Many times, yes.
Yeah, but I wanted to just say this whole day, you know, is all about the love of your home and your garden. If you've never had Mackenzie Child's beautiful tabletop pieces, this is the day. And the thing I want you to know more than anything is we have a brand new color, but also all the prices of all the pieces across the world really are going up in February. So this is one of your last chances to get these gorgeous pieces at really, really good prices.
Very good.
So we'll have it for a full hour coming up at 1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock this
Yep.
afternoon
Okay,
with our
see
new
ya.
host,
Bye,
Mary
Mary
Beth
Beth.
Rowe. Good to see you, MB. Little Giant in the jumbo step 2-step aluminum. This with that safety bar is customer top rated.
Yes.
Tell me about, so this is the deal. This is the dealio.
Yes.
This is not a rung.
8.5 by 13-inch platform steps that are textured. It is not a rung.
Textured
Traditional
Steps.
rungs on a ladder are about this. You feel like a bird on a wire. It's not comfortable to climb. These are textured steps. There's no overlap. So if you can safely climb 2 steps, you can absolutely use this. This is your freedom, your independence, your ability to get things done around the house and not have to call someone to help you. And here's the cool thing. If you are working in your garden, even if you don't put the safety bar up and you want a place to sit comfortably, to prune things, to work on stuff, you can sit on this.
I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again. A lot of things.
Yeah.
But parachutes and ladders, don't go second best.
No.
Don't go, you know what? There's only a small hole in that parachute. I'm sure it's gonna be fine.
It might work.
Don't do that. This, and the same thing with ladders. We've all heard those stories. We've all been, raise your hand if you're getting any younger. Raise your hand if you, no problem with falling. Even though this doesn't seem like it's very high.
Yeah.
To fall off a ladder at this height, you're still falling.
Well, and I think statistically, if you look it up, that's when a lot of the falls happen because people are like, oh, I'm only grabbing things out of the cupboard. Let me grab the bar stool. Let me hop on the counter. That's when you could trip. That's when you can fall. That's when things could happen. So you want to have something that gets you above those heights safely. That's what this does because if you're someone who doesn't like to climb, you literally feel like you're on the ground because of these platforms.
The 83514. So everybody, clearance price city. How many items did we have that were clearance price in the show? Like 2 or 3, like really good stuff.
This is a good show.
This is good, by the way. It's first run, first rate. In this case, it's customer top rated.
Yeah.
This isn't, I don't know, I would say like a lowly rated, used 1 button missing on the blouse item that's been returned 4 times.
People love this.
This is a Little Giant, #1 in its category.
Yes.
I swear by the brand, and I think you'll love it. So final thoughts, all you.
So great way for you to get up off the ground, holds 375 pounds. Don't grab the chair, the bar stool, do it safely with Little Giant.
Girl Next Door is last call, by the way. Congratulations, a couple dozen remaining. And one more update on the TSV, the Today's Special Value. You're not going to see it till 3 o'clock.